This poem is by D.H. Lawrence. It's called Hummingbird. I can imagine in some other world, primeval dawn, far back, in that most awful stillness that only gasped and hummed, hummingbirds raced down the avenues before anything had a soul. While life was a heave of matter, half inanimate, this little bit chipped off in brilliance and went whizzing through the slow, vast, succulent stems. I believe there were no flowers then, in the worlds where the hummingbird flashed ahead of creation. I believe he pierced the slow vegetable veins with his long beak. Probably he was big as mosses, and little lizards, they say, were once big. Probably he was a jabbing, terrifying monster. We look at him through the wrong end of the long telescope of time. Luckily for us.